TY is saying you're having trouble creating a separate pixel or a new one. So this is actually about pixel. Yes, I mean, how to create a pixel is, okay, this is based on the steps, right? You go to the business manager, click on the menu bar, the hamburger, go for business settings. You go into business settings, then you go for the, what do we call it? Is it data sources? I think it should be data sources, and under which you should be able to go into the pixel, and then you'll be able to see all the pixel that is linked to your business manager account. You should be able to create a new one from there and access to whatever existing Facebook pixel you have in your business manager from there. So that's the right way to do. Try that steps, okay, to see whether it works. All right, and if not, then try to find a way to get into the business manager and actually go through the steps again. So yeah, but if you have trouble creating a separate pixel or a new one, which means probably the button is being grayed out, you're not able to click on it anymore, then you probably have an account issue, meaning that it's either your business manager is restricted or something like that. So that's another story to tell. Yeah, but if that's the case, then probably you should actually consider start a new business manager and start fresh. That's what I think. Okay, but if you are sure that that's not what I'm talking about, you have some other issues that you want me to look at it, same thing. All right, scan this QR code, buy me a mail, and we can spend half an hour together to look at whatever situation you have, and hopefully I'm able to give you recommendations about what you can do next.